Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. And this video is to bring you a closer look at the Babcock Davis number RH KIT SD 2PTCATCH. This is a pair of strike plates, basically, is what it is, for their personnel roof hatch. This is for their 2-point latch, so you get two of these. And I'll show you an image of the roof hatch as best as I can in terms of where these are mounted. But when you have a very wide, wider unit, 6 foot wide, things of that nature, the latch assembly underneath will have two receivers. Well, they need to have two strikes naturally, and that's what these are. Made of steel, as I demonstrated with the magnet, or at least they're ferrous-based. Overall length of the body itself, or the backer plate, it's about 11 1/8, and the overall length is about 11 3/4. The overall, well, what would be the width would be 3 1/2. The projection of the latch, or the catch maybe, about 1 7/8. Let's take a couple of other dimensions. The diameter of that is 0.616, and the overall projection from the base, or from the plate where it's welded to, is about 1.39, from here to here. And again, when you buy one, you're buying a pair of these. They are going to include 8 fasteners, and these are maybe called riv nuts. Riv nuts would probably be what we would call these. So what happens is this will get installed through the back side of the sidewall, and then you'll run your bolt through the strike, and that will allow you to turn that. These splines will, the idea is to prevent it from spinning, and as you tighten that further, it will collapse the riv nut over itself, sandwiching it on that material, the sidewall that you're mounting it to. And there would be a total of 8 of those nuts, because each of these plates requires 4. Now, let's switch to the screen view where we can take a look at a little bit of supporting information. Now, here is the roof hatch that we're referring to, and the manufacturer doesn't have a really great drawing showing where these are coming from, and I don't want it to get too pixelated, but those latches are referred to here and here of the 2-point locking system up at the top. Now, this is from the manufacturer's catalog from their website under products to roof hatches, then personnel. Personnel. Okay, and they have their BRHP model. And that's where we're going to see this. Steel service stair. They have a shop drawing here. And the reason I point this out is because there just isn't a lot of detail that they're showing us, is what I'm driving at. Let's go back and see. Yeah, well, it's installation instructions probably won't talk much about that, because these items are literally going to be installed. Yeah, there's nothing there to really look at. The hardware is going to be installed on the unit as you get it. And this is an aluminum version. Same concept. And then again, our steel version. Okay, this is not 6 foot, that's 8 foot. So that's where those two latches come into play because of how wide this is. Okay, and the second dimension roof hatches is the one that the hinges are on. So this is 30 by 96. We know it's 96 because the hinge is on the 96 side, or the second dimension of the two. Okay, that's the item. All of these other parts are available from us. These lifting mechanisms can be purchased. The hold open bracket here can be purchased as well, etc. Okay, let's wrap up this video on camera. Now, in conclusion, you may have a roof hatch, and you might need parts for it, and you may or may not know that it's Babcock Davis. And our role is to try to find you the correct original equipment. And what we'll need from you is, if you cannot make an absolute positive identification based on the video, on the visual and dimensional evidence provided, and that's really the point of the video, reach out to us, and we will work with you to find the original equipment that you need for your roof hatch, the way it was designed and engineered, photographs, sizes, any names that may be in there, any serial numbers that may be on the sidewall would be helpful. But the purpose, again, of this video is just to help you determine if this is positively what you need or not. Obviously, a zinc-coated steel. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Babcock Davis products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the RH Roof Hatch Kit, KIT SD for single door, 2PT 2-point catch, or any other Babcock Davis product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.